Hello everyone, this is Brandon with Portable Technology Solutions, and in this video we're going to go over getting started with PTS CountQwik. This is going to involve installing the CountQwik mobile application and logging into the CountQwik Cloud. Now for those who aren't familiar with what PTS CountQwik is a brand new solution developed by Portable Technology Solutions and powered by Tracer Plus that allows users with both small companies and large companies with multiple locations the ability to import locations and inventory sheets into a cloud, sync that data over to a mobile device where a user can then perform an inventory audit and cycle count, sync that updated information back over into the cloud, and then export those sheets into their database, where their information would now be up to date and accurate with the latest information. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, first what we're going to do is install the mobile application on our handheld device. You're going to need an Android device to install this application. In this instance, I'm using a Zebra TC53, and we're going to head over to the Play Store. We're going to search up CountQwik, and you should see this result here, CountQwik Inventory Audit from Portable Technology Solutions. That's what we want to install. We'll wait for that to install. Open it up. You can click Allow. You're going to see the option to log in with a subscription user license. And we're going to use our account information that we received to log in. One thing to note with the mobile application is that CountQwik is a standalone application that you need to use the Google Play Store in order to deploy. This cannot be deployed from Tracer Plus Desktop using the mobile device transfer. You must use the Google Play Store in order to install CountQwik. Once all that information has been entered, we're going to log in. It's going to ask if we want to save the password or not. It's entirely up to you. And as you can see, we've now logged into the main page of the mobile application where we have the options to perform a full inventory scan and a cycle count scan. So that's the mobile device side deployed. Now the next step is to go to the CountQwik Cloud. So to find the cloud, you're going to search up this URL, countquik.cloud.ptshome.com. When we go to that, as you'll see, we'll be prompted with a login page, and we're going to use the same login information that we used on our mobile device here. So when that's all entered, you can click Login. And now, as you can see, it takes us to the CountQwik dashboard. So now we are all set up and ready to start using CountQwik.